All right, here is the 2003 Mini Cooper S. This one has the John Cooper Works tuning kit. If you can see here, we kind of framed these for the new owner. That was installed in 2004. And then here's the original window sticker too that we framed for you all. But sometimes these videos just give you a better idea of the condition of the car. Those photos with eBay and, you know, it's just hard to kind of tell. So we'll just shoot a quick video. I'll also go ahead and drive this car for you all. This is actually still my brother's daily driver, but he just needs something a little bit larger with a little bit more room. But for cruising up and down the highway, he really liked it. Good gas mileage. Get the interior shots. The seat. It's got a little rip right here. Back seat. It's got that dual glass roof.
Right, yeah, you got a lot of factors.
It's got cold AC. You know, obviously good heat. It's got the seat warmers for the winter time, which is good. Let's see, 120,000, 160. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. All right, now, you know, on a Mini Cooper, to pop the hood, you got to go on the passenger side. So go ahead and pop the hood for you all. But the car is pretty much stock. I mean, it's got like a little intake. All right, let's go take it for a drive. All right, so, you know, I always kind of do a walk around video that you just saw and then the driving video. This will give you an idea of kind of the caliber of car you're getting. This is a great driving car. You know, there's no questions, right? So there's nothing wrong with it. Maintenance has always been up to date, and it just drives really, really nice. And then hearing that supercharger whine, that can get pretty addictive. Handles good, shifts great, clutch is really strong. I mean, if you're looking for pretty good mileage, you know, John Cooper Works tuned with that, you know, that traditional green Mini Cooper S. This is a great car. So I'm just doing this video for my brother. He daily drives this car still. But we do a lot of cars and traveling and everything else. He just wants something a little bit larger than the Mini Cooper. But, you know, I'm 6'2". I fit really good inside here, but, you know, I drive a lot of European cars. They tend to be kind of small, so for me this one feels pretty roomy actually. But you know, no lights on the dash, no check engine lights, nothing like that. It's pretty much stock other than, you know, the Cooper Works tuning package. It's got your stereo controls on the steering wheel. Stereo works great, you know, no issues there. I can't play anything because, you know, copyright for YouTube, but that all works really good. Windows work good, sunroof works good. AC is nice and cold. I mean, today was like one of the hottest days we had here, out here in Maryland. I mean, it was, you know, mid 90s, high 90s, and to get into this, since it's so small, it cools very quickly. And same thing within the wintertime, it heats up. It's got the heated leather seats. But you know, on these like backcountry roads, a small car, it just feels like you're going really fast. To me, it's a little more fun than a car with a ton of horsepower, where this, you can kind of control it and push it to its limits. You know, obviously 6-speed manual transmission, but even the ride's pretty smooth, even being a small car like this and with the lower profile tires, but it rides pretty smooth, you know. I got no complaints. No noises, no rattles, vibrations, no funniness. So I don't know if you can hear it, you know, that supercharger whine just kind of pick right back up. You know, I used to see these cars on the road all the time. I still see them occasionally, but with this color combination and with that Cooper Works package, like, it's just such a neat car. You could literally daily drive this car. It's safe, it's got airbags and everything and anti-lock brakes. But it's also supercharged, 6-speed, 2-door. I mean, with a hatchback. That's kind of neat. Just going through all of the gears. All right, well, I think that gave you a good idea of how the car drives, and we'll go ahead and link them all together, put out a video so you can see it. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to ask me, and, you know, I think we'll be putting it up, you know, for auction here pretty soon. So it'd be a good chance, you know, for you to get a pretty neat, kind of a rare Mini Cooper S. See ya. Boy, that supercharger whine, that is addictive.